What? What?
You been a naughty boy today, Eric? Eric, have you been a... No. Have you been a naughty boy today? You're not a fucking legend at all. Did you bash up the dog? No, you're not a fucking legend. Did you scare the cat? Did you scare the cat? Lester, don't laugh at him. He's not funny. Eric, look at me. Look at me, look at me, look at me. You're not a fucking legend at all. You're a naughty, 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 naughty boy. You're not. Lester, don't laugh at him. You're naughty. Naughty, naughty, naughty. No, he doesn't want to kiss a legend because you're not a legend. He doesn't want to kiss a...
Stay.
Good? You okay?